Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set oil life to 100% on 2011 Chevrolet Malibu. This is gonna apply to Chevy Malibus made from 2008 and all the way up to 2012. So I have my vehicle running and now I'm gonna switch to the steering wheel, actual left side of the steering wheel, and I'm gonna be using these two buttons to reset oil life. So first I'm gonna start with info button, so you need to press it, keep pressing it until you get to the oil life. So here we go, I got to the message oil life, which is currently 19%. I just changed my oil. So now at this point you will have to press info and enter button, both of these buttons together for 2 to 3 seconds. I'm gonna do that now, and then let go. And now it says oil life reset, and the last step is to press enter button once and let go. And now we have message that this is acknowledged and we have oil life to 100%. Thanks for watching.